Hello friends, this is Azhar and welcome back to my channel Fitness Restore. And today we're going to hit the triceps. So triceps exercises are very important since triceps are larger muscles than the biceps, so it has more potential to grow. Usually I have seen that a lot of people, they work on their biceps more than the triceps. But if you want sculpted arms, then you have to work on your triceps rather than the biceps, right? So I'm going to give you some demonstration how you can do the tricep exercises at home, right? So we're gonna start from the first exercise, and you can effectively work on your triceps without any cables and without any dumbbells, right? So we're gonna start from the first exercise, which is narrow push-up or diamond push-up, right? So I'm going to give you a demonstration, a small demonstration how you can do this exercise. So let's start. So friends, we're going to start off with the first exercise, that is narrow push-up or diamond push-ups, and you have to see that how I'm doing it and see my posture and see how I'm placing my hands on the floor. So this set will going to hit your delts, chest, pectoral muscles and obviously triceps. So you have to take 4 sets and 8 repetitions each, right? So just see my position. So friends, after the narrow push-up or the diamond push-up, we're gonna start the second exercises, which is a bench dips. So which is very easy, but it's going to hit your triceps very well. Like 4 sets and 10 repetitions each. The second set, the second exercise of triceps has been done. Now we're going to start from the third exercise, which is triceps overhead extension. So we have to take at least 3 sets of 6 repetitions each. So just see you need a dumbbells obviously. So friends, you can do this exercise by standing or while you are sitting. So it's up to you, which is according to your comfort. Right? So you have to take 6 repetitions, 3 sets. So you have to tighten your core and just see my position. Stretch and squeeze. Stretch, squeeze. Stretch, squeeze. And don't forget to breathe in, breathe out, right? So friends, after the third exercise, we're going to start the fourth exercise. The name of this exercise is lying tricep extension, and since this exercise is very effective and it will going to hit your triceps very well, and this exercise will get the blood flow to your triceps area since you are lying on the floor. So this will give you a very good blood flow in your triceps. So you have to take 3 sets, 8 repetitions each. That's it. Just see my posture. Stretch, squeeze. Stretch, squeeze. Stretch, squeeze. Stretch, squeeze. Don't forget to breathe in, breathe out. So friends, these were very important exercise for the triceps, and it's gonna hit your triceps in a very good manner. So friends, मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था कि triceps are large muscle group, बाइसेप्स से ज़्यादा बड़ी मसल्स होती है, तो बाइसेप्स को इतना ट्रेन नहीं कर सकते जितना कि हम ट्राइसेप्स को ट्रेन कर सकते हैं। अगर आप बॉडी में अपने बाइसेप्स और ट्राइसेप्स में अच्छा वॉल्यूम लेकर आना चाहते हैं, देन यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर ट्राइसेप्स more than your biceps, right? And if you found my videos useful, then you can share it to your friends, subscribe it, like my channel, like my videos, and keep training.